Sorry, Shamaku. Indeed, I don't know much. Pronouns to you. Before I go into my speech, take this opportunity to pay my respects and the gratitude to those who lived with me on the 16th and 17th of June in this part of the land and Kedarnath and given life to me. So I hope though I just pay the homage for those great devotees of Shiva who laid their life in that his feet in his kingdom by just paying a few minutes of Mauna. Though there are plenty of issues I could understand from your speeches, I would like to move forward with the life constructively because I sincerely feel only and by this way we can resolve our issues and grievances. Also we can create a sustainable and strong infrastructure for our better future. Okay. In this context, I would like to suggest this forum where people from all the villages of Kedar Valley, all the political parties, all the labor and other union representatives to work together by forming a unified command to represent on behalf of ourselves and create a really worthwhile model functioning to achieve the goal and the task ahead. I know there are ecological concerns, business and livelihood concerns, cultural and traditional aspects, above all the preservation of the spiritual abode, the holy Himalayas, and mainly the human habitat. Yes, sometimes it also irritates me when I see false promises on the news and newspapers when they've been given to attract the tourists and the pilgrims. But I also understood it is those who are in power and administration, also human beings, but out of ignorance or the interest to revive the situation or maybe some coordination between the agencies of government flopped. But still I request here the media not to tell or hype in general public as all the services has been removed, including like helicopter from Guptakashi or the Ghoda services, because especially when it is not started, because only by viewing and reading the news people are coming travel to this part of the land. It is the biggest responsibility for ourselves, what we are in right now in the hand. Also at the same time, in the name of telling the facts, no need to create panic or shatter the plans of Kedar Trek is dangerous for one to pursue, because this will also affect our livelihood and our people only. Because these days I am hearing the questions, why you are Swami going to Kedar? Many accidents is happening in highways also. Have you closed the road? No, no. When the government itself says that each pilgrim takes on yatra at their own risk, let us work together and constructively for the rehabilitation of our valley and the people and the ecosystem and everything. I understood the risk of being here. Anywhere in the world, I have the risk. The death is not sure. Okay? That's the only guaranteed thing. But in this culture, mukti is the only aspect of the being. You know, Kedar Yatra is happening for many, many centuries. It is not just a newly started one. Not from 100 years or 200 years. It is many ages thing from our Rishis period. Or even before that. The place is considered so sacred. Our Puranas and Vedas are saying that significance of pilgrimage to Kedar or darshaning of being in Kedar is a very sacred process. It is an yatra. Yes, now because of the Mandagini, we lost our truck route. I also seen in the pictures of newly built the truck road, which is vulnerable for accidents. But still, it is no risk for one who walks in the terrain with the devotion or the surrender. Everywhere the risk is there. Daily lot of accidents is happening in the national highways. Have we stopped the people to access the highways? Or have we closed the highways? Are we not working to improve the facility and infrastructure, accident proof? So it is the time, is it not the time that we should work together to do the Ghar Seva by joining hands with every organization and agency which is involved and supporting us, build necessary infrastructure in this valley. In the Kedarnath, there is 25 feet of mud is there. You know, there are a lot of human bodies are still there. Not a single organization cannot be done because the 6 months will be closed for the winter and 3 months is in the raining, only 2 months is there. We are announcing Ghar Sevas for many things. It is the time we should announce Ghar Seva. In the next 6 months, every one of in this land, in this country has to come here, clean the debris and bring back the Kedar to the glory of what it has to be. Because there is another reason. Now the level of the feet the mud has become 25 feet. Whenever the little water comes, now it has been wide open. 25 feet has been increased. So it is our responsibility to coordinate with the agencies, to coordinate for future of the Kedar and for the thing. I am sure every one of you join this task. Leave about the government and the politics, that I am not concerned about that. But we definitely, in this task, we can definitely get the support from the administrative authorities, also our brothers and sisters of the India. For this, we will get materials, we will get all the materials free if we can coordinate properly with the technologies and the services of the organization about the human power. You know, in the tradition, the devotees of Shiva is called the Bhutaganas. They are not the human beings. They have worked in such a fury. They are not even concerned about their life or death. They work for that such a devotion, such a thing. When this is the culture, is been like that. It is a time to revive the culture. Say the Kedar is not the Kedar. It is the India is living like that, not the Kedar. Okay, India is being living like that as a culture, not because of the Vedas or Puranas. It is the indigenous culture. So we can bring strong and sustainable roads and bridges from Guptakashi to Kedarnath. Then every one of your address will be naturally included, because the Goda will get benefited, other people will also get benefited. So we have 6 months time ahead in our hand. How we are operating from this 6 months is matter. It's depending on the next things will do. We can keep on complaining about the aspect, or we can work together. Yes, I need to address there are 3 months has been income is not there. We need to work, but still we have life. With the blessing of Shiva, with the blessing of the people who laid their life in the Shiva's feet. So I kindly request you, all this forum, to ask the representative from all kinds, can form a task-oriented committees, both on this aspect and also to coordinate the get necessary and needed compensation for the individuals and the families and businessmen and working together by coordinating in it. I don't want to call any village in Himalayas called as it's a Devbhumi. Nowadays they are presenting as a widow's village. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Because 2 months I held in Haridwar. I'm a sannyasi, I'm an ascetic, I don't have any relationship, but still I could not face the people in this Pali who have been with 1 year I'm interacting. Because what is to be? I shared his life. I take this opportunity to appeal the Honorable Chief Minister and other political parties to support this united forum and our people, and to stand with them in this inevitable time by supporting them. Let us create a strong infrastructure of roads and communication so that everyone in this planet, irrespective of their country, religion, caste or whatever it is, get darshan of Baba Kedarnath and get his blessings. That would be the real gratitude for those people who lost their life, who paid their homage at the feet of Shiva, and who has become my part of me on this natural calamity. Bow down to them and to you, Jai Kedar.
Oh, thank you, Swamiji.